Dear friends, myself Dr.M, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, KSR College of Engineering, Tiruchengodu. In my subject Quantity Survey and Estimation, first unit estimation of buildings. There are two parts. First part load bearing structure and frame structure. What is the meaning of load bearing structure? What is the meaning of frame structure? Substructure below the ground roll is substructure, above the ground roll is superstructure. What is the difference between load bearing structure and frame structure? Load bearing structure without column, used for only for RR masonry structures and brickwork only. Framed structures means used on column beams, load transfer to for footing for the column based. Next one is calculation of the quantity of brickworks, RCC and PCC. What is the meaning of RCC? Reinforced cement concrete. What is the meaning of PCC? Plain cement concrete. Plastering work for any brickwork and staircase, ceiling, outside wall, etc. And then whitewashing, color washing and painting, varnishing and shop, residential building, rooms and flat and fixed roofs. Part 2, various type of arches. Calculation of the based on arches for brickwork in arch and RCC works for arch. Estimation of joinery plan, pinned and glassed doors, windows, ventilators, handrails, etc. First of quantity surveying and estimation. What is the meaning of quantity surveying and estimation? The fundamental process of the construction industry that involves calculating the measurements of the materials and research needed for the new project, and estimation of the related cost of constructions, new construction works. Quantity surveying focused on accuracy of the measurements and calculation of the all elements of the construction project. What is the meaning of all elements? That is brickwork, plastering work, handrails, materials, slabs, equipments used for the construction industries. While estimation used for the measurements of the determination of the overall cost of the construction on new project. Essentially, quantity surveying provide raw data, and estimation used the new data are determined by the project for financial requirement of the new construction work for client side. Introduction of the estimation. Estimation is the process of calculating approximate quantity and probable cost of the different item of works required for the project. What does it mean? Different item of work. First one is, for example, for the residential building. First work is earthwork excavation, PCC, plain cement concrete, and RR masonry, random rebel masonry, footing, basement, and brickwork in superstructure, lintel concrete, troop structures, handrails. These are different item of works in project works. Before the execution of the works is calculated the material cost, labors, time needed for the new cost of construction of the work. It gives total expenditure of the cost of the new project. It helps planning, budgeting, and approval before construction of the started of the building. And the estimation of the always prepared the drawing specification and site conditions based on the site requirement. In this to the answer to the questions for the estimation, this is one of the main part of the what are the purpose of estimation. Main purpose is for the cost of construction, time required, labor cost, sanctioned project, equipment and tools used in the new project, material required. It is based on only used for the tender calculations. For example, of the construction of the new project for residential building, the estimation including earthwork, foundation, concrete, brickwork, plastering, flooring, painting for the doors and windows, electrical work, plumbing work, etc. Each item of work is the quantity into rate is called is cost of construction. It gives the total estimation of the progress of the calculate of the quantity of materials, labor, service of the required the complete of the construction work. There are important types of the estimation in civil engineering works: approximate estimation, detailed estimation, revised estimation, supplementary estimation, revised estimation for the combined for the annual and maintenance repair estimation, plinth area estimation, cubic content estimation, sub-estimation. These are important of the estimation for the new building construction work. Thank you.